You can change any photo into a line art like this in Procreate in few simple steps. Make sure to watch this whole video to find out also how to color this later. And if you'd like to learn more about digital art and get many step-by-step tutorials and Procreate brushes, join my Patreon. Link is in the description. So once you have your canvas opened in Procreate, let's go to the Actions menu. We are going to import the photo. Go to Add. And then pick here Insert the photo. And pick your photo. Let's make it fit the canvas, although this is not necessary. Okay, and then tap here to finish. To change it into a line art, we need to have this in black and white. So first, I'm just going to duplicate this layer. I'll swipe on it to the left and pick Duplicate. And I will hide the bottom layer as the original layer. I want to keep it. So now we have this new layer here. We are going to desaturate it. For this, let's go to the Adjustments and take Hue, Saturation, Brightness. Let's make the saturation 0. If you want, you can also slightly adjust the brightness. I'll make this one 52 here. Let's tap here to finish. And now we are going to duplicate this. So let's open the layers and duplicate this one. Now we have to change the blending mode of this layer. So tap here and let's take here Divide. As you can see, now we don't see anything. We have to add here Gaussian blur to start seeing the line art. So let's go to the Adjustments and take Gaussian blur. Swipe your pencil on the screen to add the Gaussian blur, and now you can see this line art is becoming visible. Let's make this between 2, 5, 6%. I'll make it 5% here. Let's tap here to finish. And now we have to merge those two layers together. So you can just tap on this layer here and pick Merge Down. To make this look better, we are going to add here curves. So let's go to the Adjustments and take Curves. And now we have to take this bottom point here to the right, like this. And we can still take the top point a little bit to the left, but don't do it too much because then you will end up with something like this, unless you want to have inverted image like that. So I'll do here like that. And now the line art is ready. You can tap here to finish this. If you're not satisfied exactly here, you can go back, maybe make the image a little bit brighter or darker, and see what you will end up with. And now I want to quickly show you how you can color this. As you have already noticed probably, this is not exactly like a real line art. We have here this white, so we can't color just like that underneath this layer. We have to change blending mode of this to make it work. So we can tap here on this N letter, and you can change it now either to linear burn, color burn, darker or multiply, even darker color. I will do it here with multiply. So now I'm going to make a new layer and put it underneath that layer here. So this way, if I draw something here, you will be able to see it. Just like that. You can color this whole illustration like this without any problem. And then you can see what blending mode you like here the most. There is a very small difference between those blending modes here, so you can just see and decide what you like. I recommend keeping it as multiply. And now one more thing what you can just do here, very easily, you can just bring back your original layer here. And you got this illustration like that. I think this looks very nice. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it was useful for you. And if you want to draw more of me, don't forget to check out my Patreon. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!